Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on the slip stitch. Today I'm doing this stitch on a basic chain. Typically this stitch is how you would end a row or how you would work back into another stitch seamlessly where you can't really see the stitch. But just to show you what the stitch is, we're going to be working on a basic chain. We're going to start in the second chain from the hook, 1, 2. And we're going to insert our hook into the loop. We're going to catch our thread and we're going to pull it through both the loop as well as the loop that was on our hook. Just like that. Let's do that again. Insert hook into loop, catch your yarn and pull it through both the loop and the original loop on your hook. All right, one more time. Insert hook, catch the thread, pull it through, pull it through. All right, let's work a few more. And that is how you do the slip stitch. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.